Hey there, join me as I take on the challenge of saving my marriage in just 1 week. Let's see if I can turn things around. You know, marriage is one of the most beautiful experiences life has to offer, but it's no secret that it can also be incredibly challenging. Many of us have been there, feeling disconnected, frustrated, and unsure if our relationship can be saved. I'm here because I believe that every marriage is worth fighting for, and I want to help you save yours today. Communication breakdowns, loss of intimacy, and financial stress are just a few of the common issues that couples face in their marriages. These problems can creep in slowly, often going unnoticed until it's almost too late. When we're caught up in our busy lives, it's easy to let communication fall by the wayside. We assume our partner knows how we feel, or that they'll just magically understand what's going on. But the truth is, they often don't. The lack of communication can lead to feelings of resentment and hurt, which can be incredibly difficult to overcome. Financial stress can also put a huge strain on a marriage, causing couples to feel like they're fighting more often than they're connecting. And then there's the loss of intimacy. Not just physical intimacy, but emotional intimacy as well. When we stop connecting with our partner on a deep level, we can start to feel like we're just roommates rather than soulmates. These issues can feel overwhelming, but I want you to know that there's hope. You don't have to let these problems tear you apart. By acknowledging them and making a conscious effort to address them, you can start to rebuild and strengthen your relationship. So what can you do to start reconnecting with your partner and resolving conflicts? One of the most effective strategies is active listening. This means truly hearing what your partner is saying without interrupting or getting defensive. It means making eye contact, asking questions, and showing that you care about what they're going through. Another strategy is spending quality time together. This can be as simple as going for a walk, cooking dinner together, or having a meaningful conversation. Seeking professional help is also a sign of strength, not weakness. A therapist can provide you with tools and techniques to communicate more effectively and work through your issues in a healthy way. By being proactive and taking small steps towards healing, you can start to see real progress in your relationship. It's about taking responsibility for your actions and making a commitment to work through the tough times together. I'd like to share with you a powerful story of transformation. There was a couple who was on the brink of giving up. They'd been married for over a decade, but had been feeling disconnected and unhappy for years. They decided to take a leap of faith and seek help, making a commitment to work through their issues together. With time, patience, and effort, they were able to rebuild their relationship and create a stronger, more loving bond. Their story is a testament to the fact that it's never too late to make a change. With the right mindset and support, you can overcome even the toughest challenges and create a more fulfilling marriage. It's not always easy, but it's worth it. In summary, saving your marriage takes effort and commitment from both partners. It's about being proactive, communicating effectively, and seeking help when you need it. By taking small steps towards healing and growth, you can start to see real progress in your relationship. If you've been impacted by this video, I encourage you to share your experiences in the comments below. Share this video with someone you care about who might need it, and consider subscribing for more content on relationships and personal growth.